Hi guys, Tim here. So in this video I want to show you how you can add menu icons to your WordPress menu. So here I have a website and here you can see the menu, home, live coaching, our teachers and so on. And I want to make this menu a little bit more interesting, a little bit more visual appealing. So then let me show you how we can add these icons to our menu. So first of all, we have to go to our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard, and then we have to go to plugins, add new plugin. And here we want to search for, in the search plugin bar here, for a menu icon. And here we want to add the first plugin, menu icon by Theme Isle. So then we click here on install now. And then after the installation is finished, we click on activate, of course. And yeah, so now our plugin is activated, and then we will go to appearance and then we go to menus. And here you have to find your menu. If you have more than one menu, then you have here a little drop down menu where you can search or select the right menu. So I have, on this website, I have only one menu, so this is why I don't have any option to select a menu here. Here you can see this is my menu: home, live coaching, our teachers, about, and contact. And now when we expand the menu here, so for example the home, then we can see we have here icon, and then we can select an icon. So for the home I click on select, and here we have all kind of different icons that we can use. So yeah, then let's search for a good home icon, or we search here, but I see here, let's select the home, the house icon. And here you have some options now, so you can yeah, hide label, you can hide this, you can set the position before the text or yeah, after the text, the vertical alignment, and the size of the new icon. We leave it for now as it is. Then I click on select. Then let's go to the next one, live coaching icon, select. Then let's choose chat. This is good. The next one, our teachers, for example, the users. This is, yeah, perfect. And for the about section, and I think this is looks really good. So yeah, it let's choose this. It makes the menu a little bit more visual appealing, and yeah, why not? So let's select contact. Let's yeah, for example, let's select this icon, and then yeah, we have to click on save menu. So now the menu is saved. Let's go back to the front page and let's refresh this. And yeah, here you can see, so this looks, I think this looks really good. And also, yeah, this works of course with the mobile view. So when somebody visits your website with the phone, and then they can see this as well. And yeah, so, and of course you can change the size of the logos, like I said. So let's or can we, yeah, we can click here, and then we can, let's make it 2, for example, and then select and then save menu. Let's see how this looks. So let's refresh the site, and yeah, okay, I think this is a little bit too big, but you get the idea. You can change everything, and yeah, you can choose the different icons, and yeah, this is really good. Try it out. This plugin is completely free, and if you want to remove this, then you can simply deactivate and deinstall the plugin. And yeah, so I think that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button on the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me on Patreon. All the links in the video description down below. And yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.